pious souls, it is said for those who have incomplete knowledge that little knowledge is the dangerous thing. Neem Hakim Khatarai Jan. Till now, humans used to consider these gods as supreme gods and wished for their welfare. But Kal himself has little knowledge. Kal left an option to ask about Almighty from an enlightened saint. So by adopting the methods from these holy scriptures, that Allahu Akbar means the complete God, Paramakshar Purush, cannot be attained, his worship is not in them. People are all worshipping the knowledge giver of Gita, the knowledge giver of Veda, the knowledge giver of Quran Sharif, the knowledge giver of Bible, by considering him as the Allahu Akbar, who is another God, another Lord. He is not the master of lineage, he is not Allah Ta'ala, he is not complete God. The information about that complete God is with this servant. Look, this is Holy Bible, Sampoorn Jeevan Adhyan Bible. From where is this published? Look here. General Editor Donald C. Stamps, MAM Dev, Associate Editor J. Wesley Adams, PhD, Life Publishers International. Springfield, Missouri, USA, printed India. This is all the same what I showed before, you can read it. Now we come to Genesis. Look at the Genesis. In English, it's called Genesis 1, page number 4. At the beginning, God created the sky and the earth. Earth was without form and empty. This was the first day. Then God said there should be a division between the water, and that the water should be divided. Then it was evening, then morning. And the second day, then it was evening, then morning, and then the third day. We will take points of our interest. Then it was fourth day, evening, then morning, and then the fourth day ended. Then the fifth day. Now we are on page number 5. It was evening, then morning, and then the fifth day ended. Now on sixth day started. In this way, God created different species of plants and animals, different species of domestic animals and reptiles. God saw it was good. God, after creating all animals and birds, said, I will make humans like my own self, similar to my own self, and they should have authority on the fishes in sea, birds in sky, all domestic animals, and on those who crawl on earth, on reptiles. And humans should be wiser than buffalo, cow, bull, etc. We should use them for our work, but should not eat them, should not trouble them. Like you keep cow and buffalo at home, you feed them, bathe them, keep them with love, and they give you milk. This is what God said, not to eat them. He made humans same as his own self, similar to his form. So how is God? God said he will make humans like his own self, similar to his form, and they should have authority on the fishes in sea, birds in sky, all domestic animals, and on those who crawl on earth, on reptiles. Then God made humans as his own self. God created humans like his own self as male and female. Then how is God like a man in human form? All those who met God and were taken to Sachkhand, the eternal place, described God to be same as humans, similar to us. Once they came back, but there everyone has an immortal body. You get an immortal body. The material there is immortal. Here the body is mortal. When God descends, He descends with his original body only, that immortal God does not take birth from the mother's womb. He comes in body and goes back with a body. I will show you evidence. Allahu Akbar came in body as an infant, grew while doing spectacles, then went back with his body in front of millions of people. Now it's clear that God created humans similar to his own form like himself. So God, Allah, is also like a human.